TikTok Shop may not appear due to app glitches, eligibility issues, or regional restrictions. Here's a step-by-step fix. 1. Check eligibility and region. Ensure you're 18 plus with a creator or business account in a supported country. Profile, settings, shop, enable if available. If not, verify account in TikTok Studio app. 2. Update the app. Go to App Store to Google Play. Search TikTok, update. Outdated versions often hide features. 3. Clear cache and reinstall settings. Apps, TikTok, storage, clear cache, data, force close, swipe away from recent apps. Uninstall, reinstall TikTok. During login, accept allow tracking prompt. Switch to stable Wi-Fi, no VPN as it may block regions. Log out or in or restart device. 5. Contact support. In-app, profile, settings, support, report, shop not visible, or use TikTok Studio for seller issues.